Mimi dug that hole for you. You can hide your balls in there. Silly girl. Silly girl. What are you doing, princess? What are you doing, princess? Huh? It's a good girl. You're a good dog. Yes, you are. Very good. You're very good. Can you give me a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss?